Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Jasmine video update. Is this Jasmine? Oh no, sorry, SLP video update, my bad, okay, my bad. Now here we are with the SLP anyway, and I'm looking at SLP and this is golden. This is absolutely incredibly looking fantastic, like holy man, I love it, man. Even yesterday, I talked about the fact that you're having a spinning top here, and it was a nice, good investing opportunity. If you guys saw the yesterday's video, now we are on the verge of making a bull cross, which we haven't done yet, but we're about to do so. And based on the people on my Discord, they're talking about I don't know, a game release of SLP coming up very, very soon. And there's like this desktop launch, I guess, and then they're gonna have the phone launch of the whatever the gaming setup they have. And fundamentals goes along with the technical. So if you look the technical targets right now, or sorry, the technical chart right now, the charts are saying that it's very bullish at this point of time. It's some sort of a morning star that you put here, and you're sitting above the 55. You bounce off the 55. You're looking to make a cross with the 10 and the 20. Make this cross. Oh boy, you're looking to take this high over there, and you might explode from here completely. You might see a rally that people never expected before, because one of the things that I actually teach, and I do have a technical course out there. If you guys want to take the technical analysis course, you can do so. It's $49, but if you want to pay $29, if you want to get $20 off, use cryptocurrency as a payment. For that one, come to Discord and join me into the Discord. All you want to do is go to the announcement tabs and click my profile here and shoot me a message, and I'm going to tell you what to do and what not to do, and then you're going to get it for $20 off, because why not? We can accept cryptocurrency. You can even pay with SLP if you want to. Now anyways, back into the charts. Based on the charts and based on the market psychology, let me actually bring this image, and there's something that I want to match up with SLP at this point of time. So let me remove all this, drawings over there for a second. And in this update, what I'm going to say is my next technical target is SLP goes to the 30. Okay, this is the update today. This is the next target that I do see potentially come down a little bit here, and then you start to move like this, okay, gigantically. But the next predictions that I do see, if things go good as expected, you're going to see this thing like take off in this way. Boom, come down, boom, come down, like this, continue up, just the same way that you actually came down like this. Okay, it's the same way you might go up like that. But why? This is not guts feeling, and this is not a financial advice, but this is just my own thought, and I'm going to tell you why. Let's talk about market faces, or market psychology, if you want to say, put it that way. So let's bring the market phases. And there's one very popular image that I actually like to use, and I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Yes, maybe this one over here. Yeah, this image. So this is the image that I like to use a lot. Okay, so this says is the psychology of a market cycle. So SLP really reflects this market phase. All of this in detail is in the course. You can learn that, but I'm just gonna give it away for free. And psychology of a market says that down here you're gonna have disbelief. When things start to pump, you're gonna have optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria. So if you look at it that way, they were talking about maybe this move to the upside. Down here you had a disbelief and thrill, euphoria, boom, people were getting so excited, and then you went to the downside. Okay, that's where you actually had euphoria, complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, anger, capitulation as well. And then you go sideways, and then again you start with the disbelief, depression, and then the disbelief that, oh no, this coin is never gonna go up. But what happens? You go to the disbelief phase. Right now, I do think you are in the disbelief right now. People are not believing it's gonna do so, isn't it? Doesn't that click a button where that people right now are not believing it's going to go up because they saw this light to the downside? So mentally they are tortured in a way that they believe it's going down, and all I see here is some sort of an accumulation to actually go to the upside based on this market phase that you're going to see again, the hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria. And once this thing, maybe, who knows, go back to the all-time high. I don't know, But if we're gonna be trading it, okay, if we're gonna go halfway and then start to come down, I'm gonna let you know, hopefully, if I'm alive, of course. So if you do start to go up to these levels like this and potentially even cross, I wouldn't be surprised, because this is just how the market has been for the past 100 years or so, or maybe 200 years. This kind of pattern has already happened with so many different coins, and they actually went to the upside. I actually want to give you a proof, maybe motivation, some sort of a motivation here. Let me open up Courtesy, because this is one of the coin that tortured me like SLP, and I'm going to show you here. So Courtesy, back when it was in Binance, I saw it, sort of like, moving to the upside like this, and it started going down like this, and this is where I lost a lot of money. But when I was investing somewhere here and I was losing hope down there, one day it actually did go back to the all-time high. Do you see that? Now it's back down, and potentially it's looking to still go to the upside. This looks still looks amazing to me, but it's just an example. It's just an example here, and this can very well happen with SLP as well. And you can see that it can take place. Maybe VeChain has an answer to that, my market psychology that I'm talking about. So let's talk about VeChain as well. So the people who are buying VeChain here, like when it launched up there, you can see it went all the way down, and it kept on dipping and dipping. It make even a bigger dump to the downside for coronavirus, corona dump there. No one would have believed that one day VeChain is going to go up here. No one did believe here. Everyone was in a market phase of depression and disbelief. Potentially they were even angry down here, went down to the disbelief, came up to to the depression, came up to the disbelief, and look what happens next. This is a market cycle that will happen every single time, and I wouldn't be surprised if it comes up to happen with SLP as well. And this one day even starts to go and climb and take the all-time high. By the end of the day, this is crypto, anything can happen, and that's why I do say don't take it as a financial advice. All I'm just doing is giving you a logical explanation to why this can happen. And that's it for the update. If you guys want to learn more about trading, you can check out the course, and you do know how to get it for $29. It's already huge content, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love it.